Hi, I'm Marty Pfeiffer. Let's talk about AI. Policy statement? Nah, just my personal observations of navigating the hows and whys of AI. Like any other technology, AI is a tool with the potential to improve and speed up repetitive text-based work. However, it's a poor substitute for critical thinking or creative effort. I ultimately am responsible for anything I choose to publish. I primarily use AI features to review my scripts, propose multiple choice and fill in the blank questions based on textbook and lecture video transcripts, and produce summaries. AI can be handy for finding gaps, inconsistencies, or gasp or errors in the material I cover in lectures. In my review process, I will not copy and paste dialogue from the chat when revising scripts. Instead, I will consider the suggestions given and make changes to my scripts in my own words by manually editing the original script. I will double-check any unexpected suggestions by using independent sources such as textbooks, human experts, or my own testing. I use Grammarly to supplement Microsoft Word's grammar checking features. My alma mater gives me free access to the paid version. It's pretty good, but I often override its suggestions that would alter my informal tone. Grammarly can make my wording sound a bit too formal and stuffy sometimes. I would recommend sticking to the free version if you simply want good grammar checking. For instance, Grammarly wanted me to take out the word simply out of the last sentence due to the tone suggestion setting Arizona State University mandates. My purpose in creating quizzes on Canvas is to encourage students to watch the videos and do the reading for that week's material. To that end, I have set up quizzes as a kind of gatekeeper. Students need to score 100% on a quiz before moving forward in the module. Assignments are the real test of learning, but quizzes help students determine if they have the knowledge they need to succeed. Because of this, I create question banks with 3 times as many questions as I'll ask in the quiz. That way, when students retake the quiz, they will encounter new questions each time. Answers are always given to missed questions, and the quiz may be retaken as many times as necessary. I use AI to formulate questions based on textbook readings and video transcripts, but I will veto any that I feel are too esoteric or could easily confuse students. I also take the quiz a few days after creating it and remove any questions I miss. If I can't get the correct answer, how can I expect a student to? A summary can be a handy reminder of the learning material, not a replacement for it. The lectures and reading materials are important for a complete understanding of the material. I use AI features to produce summaries, but then edit the results down to the bone. I aim for bullet points and tables over paragraphs of text. Some of the things AI can do seem superhuman. It can quickly generate a detailed and plausible response to a complicated prompt, often with seemingly unbounded confidence. But AI can misunderstand context and present incorrect or outdated information. So, it's important to set up safeguards. Some professors or institutions will determine their own guidelines for AI use, but that's almost letting you play the game on easy mode. I've outlined my rules, and I suggest you think about your own rules for AI use. Where exactly do you draw the line? If you need a starting point, try these. AI is a tool, not a substitute for thinking. Verify factual claims that are new to you with an outside source before you rely on them. Work hard to cultivate your own voice, distinct from what an AI chatbot or classmate could generate. If it's got your name on it, you are responsible for it. Now, these guidelines won't prevent you from being creative as you explore new technologies like AI. On the contrary, they're designed to put the focus on the most important part of your learning journey. Your human creativity is more important to the world than you can imagine, and I hope you can imagine a lot.